I will have all the technical specifications at the end of this video, so you can go ahead and pause at that portion if you want to absorb that information. Today we're going to look at a 3-in-1 laser light combo designed for a pistol. This has 2 lasers and one 600 lumen flashlight designed for pistol use. And I think it's going to be applicable for somebody looking for a home defense light to mount to their home defense pistol, or if you're into airsoft, you could use this too. It's a budget-friendly light. It's available on Amazon. What we're going to do is we're going to unbox this, take a look at its features, and then I'll give you my thoughts on it. Because of YouTube's restrictive gun policies, I won't be able to feature putting it on a pistol and firing it. That would violate their policies, which would restrict the video. So I'm going to do a separate video. I cannot show the installation, but we'll show it installed. I'll show the ergonomics, and I'll actually take it out to my range at night and test fire it so you can see how that works. So if you want to see that, you could check the link in the video description box here on YouTube, or you could subscribe and like this video, and then you'll be able to view it from there. So that being said, let's take a look at this. Now they reached out, sent this to me. I get to keep the light. So I'm going to tell you that up front, but I'm going to give you my honest opinion, what I think. So let's unbox this dude and see what you're going to get. Now I did open this before, so a couple of the Ziploc bags might be missing. I might have thrown those away, but we'll just go through the unboxing together. One thing I like is instead of this just being a cheap cardboard packaging, it's actually kind of a foam. So let's pull all this stuff out and see what you get. Let's take a look at what you get. You're going to get a little manual. Now they do have a YouTube channel. I'll have a link to that. You can go there. They have other products. So let's take a look at the light. Now this is made out of, looks like anodized aluminum. Here's the front. Here you have your 600 lumen light and your 2 lasers, blue and purple. Now purple can react with different colors if it's hitting the beam. You can kind of test it out yourself. Just shine it on different objects. You have your windage, left or right adjustments here for that left-handed laser, left-sided laser, and for the right laser, you have your left or right adjustment or windage there. And on the bottom, for the left, you have your up and down or your elevation, and for your right side laser, you have your adjustment. Now, adjustments are made with these 2 smaller little Allen keys or Allen wrenches that you'll get, and then the larger Allen key is going to be used to mount it. Now, it came with 1 screw or 2 holes for the mounting screws, and then the other screw with a spring came in the box. This will mount on any Picatinny rail system. Now your controls are nice and big. The bottom buttons, this is ambidextrous. Can be activated with either your thumb or your index finger. If you're indexing your finger on your pistol, that's just about perfect. There is a slot here, cut out, which fits on the front of your trigger guard and it helps it stay secure. On the other side, on the bottom, again, is the flashlight. This is pretty bright. And on the top right, is the blue laser. Turn it off. And on the top left is for the purple laser. Now see what I told you about the purple color? Purple laser will change colors depending on what it is shining on. So we got light blue on the box, purple there. Both lasers going. So let's get a better look at the laser light. So we're going to do the blue laser first. We're about 20, a little over 20 feet. And then the purple laser. Okay, the LIGHTWIN also has a strobe feature. So you're just going to turn it on and press and hold for 2 seconds. Turn it off, hold for 2 seconds, and you're back to your static light. Now to sight this in, you'd mount it on your pistol. You'd get, if you had a vise, it would be great. So what you want to do is get a sight picture, and then you're going to adjust your laser beams to coincide with your sight picture. So you'll make the required adjustments up and down, left or right, to coincide with your line of sight. I recommend zeroing these in or co-witnessing this at around 7 yards, no more than 10. If you're using this for home defense, especially at night, you're not going to be shooting further than those type of self-defense distances. Just as a safety warning, don't look at the lasers. Don't shine it in your eye, just like you don't look at the sun. And this light is bright enough that it's actually too bright for inside. If you're going to use this at night, you're going to lose your night vision. Just want to kind of throw that out there. You have your USB port here to use with your charging cable. There is no flap or anything to cover this. Therefore, I would recommend this only for indoor use. I highly recommend, if you keep a firearm for home defense, that you keep a flashlight with it. Having something like this eliminates the need to worry about managing two different things. But again, just a warning, at night, if you're using this inside a house and you turn that light on, it's bright enough to ruin your night vision. If you have, or you're going to keep a pistol for home defense, this is a product I would recommend. It's good quality. It alleviates the problem of keeping a light with your gun. If you're going to use a pistol for home defense, more than likely it's going to be at nighttime. So this is definitely something I would consider. Or if you are considering getting a pistol, as far as I'm concerned, this is a must-have, or something like this is a must-have to keep with your home defense firearm. Now, as far as lasers go, I was on a SWAT team for 8 years. Lasers are fine with NVGs or NODs, night vision goggles, or night observation devices. They are pretty helpful. As far as civilian applications, maybe someone who's visually impaired or something that might assist them. Otherwise, realistically, in civilian use, it really has limitations. As a standpoint from a firearms instructor, I found this is a helpful tool. I would have the student turn on the laser beam if I thought they were jerking the trigger or pulling their shots. That allowed me to watch the laser beam during the trigger press operation, and I could tell if they were jerking the trigger or not. And then we could identify their trigger press as a problem with their shooting skills. The other thing I found handy in training was shooting on the move. Now, with the laser on, you could point it at your target, and as you're moving and shooting, you can watch the laser beam to see if you're bouncing too much. The only con I see is not having some type of cover over the USB port. So again, I would restrict this for indoor use. I'm going to go ahead and give this product a thumbs up. It's a budget-friendly solution if you're looking for a light for a pistol. Again, I would just limit it to home applications or airsoft. If you have any experience with LIGHTWIN, leave a comment down below. If you have any comments or questions, I like to read them. And again, just leave a comment. what you think about this product. Now, if you want to see the follow-up video of me with the LIGHTWIN light installed and actually shooting it on my range at night, go ahead and like and subscribe. Then you'll have access to my videos, or click on the video link in the description box. All right, I appreciate you stopping by, and thanks for watching.